Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no Nvidia GPU is detected on your system. So it's pretty simple. So to do this, all you have to do is go to your device manager first. So this is going to be your first solution. So all you have to do is press Windows X and then device manager, and this will pop up. So under display adapters, you will find your own actual graphics card. So if it's not right here, if it's not detected right here, first I want you to turn off your PC and then just reconnect your GPU into the motherboard so that you will be able to let it be seen right here in your device manager. So if it's seen, it's detected, and it's just all you have to do is right click and enable device. So your second one is gonna be right here. So we're gonna use our driver easy. So just download this in your Windows and then scan now. From scanning now, you will have to update all of your drivers right here. So as you can see, you can update your driver for your pointing device, your screen, your pointing device, and more, and other things you can do. So just all you have to do is press update all, and then you can update your Nvidia GPU display if it's available right there. So there you go guys, that is how you fix it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.